Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
I'm Elana Cañas. I'm 30 years old. I'm a self-oriented person, honest and hardworking.
Okay, any experience abroad as a housemaid?
Singapore.
How long?
1 year and 1 month.
Okay, why only 1 year and 1 month?
Because when I come there, my employer had one daughter. After 9 months, she gave birth, and she wanted to take her by herself. So I go home.
Okay, that means you know how to take care of the newborn baby.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, how do you know the baby is sick?
The baby is sick when the baby is crying.
Okay, when you learn that the baby got sick, what you will do?
First, I will check for the vital sign. After that, when the baby needs to be taken to the hospital, I will tell my employer.
Okay, when you did something wrong in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
I will say sorry to my employer.
Okay, you know how to cook, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can cook very well?
Not very well, but I can cook.
Okay, when you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly the employer wants you to go outside to buy something, what you will do?
I will stop cooking and then go out.
Okay, now you want to apply to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
How can you solve your homesick?
I can solve my homesick by focusing myself to my work.
Okay, after Singapore, where you go?
Israel.
Okay, how long?
4 years.
How many members in the house?
Only one.
One elderly?
Yeah.
Okay, how old is she?
She's able and only she needs help in the house.
Okay, how old? 91.
91.
Okay, what is your job in the house?
All around help.
What time you wake up in the morning?
6 o'clock.
Wow, so early.
Yeah.
And then what are you doing?
Cook for breakfast. Give her bath. All the work in the house I do.
Okay, how can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
I maintain a good relationship with my employer by obeying what they wanted me to do and focusing on my job.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. I'm Elana Cañas. I'm 30 years old, and I'm honest and hardworking, and I'm willing to work with you for the rest of my contract. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.